It's movie night, and you know how it goes, guys. Doritos, popcorn, milk shots, the list is endless. Like, I just can't stop. These midnight cravings, they sure do a ton on me. Like, they really get the best of me every single time. But I knew I had to do something, and that's why I found this. Meet the Habit Control Smart Lock. It is perfect for locking up anything. Snack, games, money, and even important stuff like documents. It's got you covered. It works on drawers, cabinets, and even your fridge. With just a tap, you can lock anything. Now I control the cravings and not the other way around.